Yeah.
He's
interesting looking.
Yeah, now I see that tail. Wow.
Oh, I bet that's his den right there. In that pipe, probably.
That out there?
No. That's a different one.
Maybe,
They
probably
weren't
not.
making it fun.
No, that's illegal.
Make sure this will go under.
Oh yeah, now I know how to do it.
Yeah, off the hole, and down the thing, back down the hole again.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Tom.
Did they know there's a spring inside the rock or what?
Yeah, water coming out of the rock.
You use that much water, David?
The cold, Tommy?
Where?
Just carry this stuff back.
That was actually really easy.
Yeah, I know. Except for that set, like the really narrow part.
Yeah, the narrow part over here.
Good job, Tommy. Go slow, Tommy. Slow.
There you go.
That's the hardest part right there. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I have a towel in my backpack. I'll just help you out.
Cigarette butt.
Essentially, you're gonna hike.
No bottom.